We are here at NorCal Hobbies for Dirt Wars, the second time running out here, 2019. Pretty cool series that unifies the racers from Antioch and the Modesto track at NorCal. The three of us end up going to each other's tracks. It's just a barrel of fun, you know?
I just want racers to experience different track styles, different places, meet new people. I just like to do something good for the hobby. You know, I'm not in this for any other reason than I want to see RC racing, you know, develop something bigger.